Hey, my name's Elliot. I'm here at ThoughtWorks in Sydney for Healthhack 2014. I'm here with my team, Fabian and Liv, as well as Carol, Martin, Sam, Tiani. They're all kind of hiding behind there, but you can't see them. We're working on mouse B-cell receptor genes. Our gene is 339 base pairs long. What we get is a magical file. It's called the AB1 file. It comes with 500 base pairs in it. In that somewhere is a 339 base region that we have to chop down and tidy up so that we can do our research on it. In the past, you would open up your AB1 file that looks something like this. It's not very helpful. You get this happening in the middle. You sometimes have this very little peak. If you look real carefully, the distances between the peaks, you can tell, but that's been done by eye up until now. What we found out over the weekend is that if you open up this file, it's got stacks and stacks of extra data in there. It actually has this quality control metric in there, and it will do that when you have errors. It just automatically detects them. No one really knew, no one really asked. They used to do that all by eye, checking, then they'd come here and they'd take off that letter. Pain in the ass. Anyway, so we made a script. It makes two big piles. One of them's the clean pile, one of them's the dirty pile. The dirty pile means you need to go back and still manually check. You're about where we were at the beginning, but what we've done is made a huge pile of the clean ones. We asked ourselves at what cost. Our researcher was doing 150 genes per week for 5 minutes per genome, which is about 12 and a half hours per week. And she's been doing this for 9 years. It's a long time. Anyway, if she's paid a normal wage, you end up with a nice big number like 196,875 is how much this problem cost the Garvin Institute, if only they'd got to it sooner. How much did it cost us? Well, there's 7 of us. We've been here 32 cumulative man hours. It's a bit less than that. It's about 15 hours if you overlap them. But if you paid us a wage, it would be $1,600. But hey, you're getting that for free, so don't worry about that. All you did pay for is the food, which was about $100. The air conditioning was probably about another $50. The Wi-Fi, all the rest is in there. If we had more time on the problem, there's a whole bunch more information in maybe one file. It would be really nice to do that. We could run a better quality scan if we used all that information. We could take this. So what we found as well is that 90% of our files go into here, 10% go into here. We could take that 10%, could divide it up. Maybe we could knock another 50% off of it with more time. Maybe we could knock another 70% off of it with more time. Some of those files are invalid. We have to throw them out anyway, but at least we could save some time in doing so. My name's Elliot. Thanks for watching. This has been Healthhack 2014, and we just made you $200,000.